I'm the product manager for our Luminaire continuous suspended fixtures in indoor. Today I wanted to go through the LDS fixture, talk through some of its specs, value prop, and differentiators so that when you're out with the customer in the field, you can speak to it. LDS stands for Lumination Direct Suspended, and I have the 2-foot sample here with me today. It'll come in either 4-foot or 8-foot continuous or independent fixtures. And it ranges from output of 4,000 up to 17,000 lumens. And some of the distributions that it offers is with the diffuser, you have a narrow or aisle lighter, a wide, or a wall wash that could be used around the perimeters. And we also offer an option with louvers, which gives a different aesthetic and also directs the light down. And then lastly, we offer an uplight option that comes with LED module on the top to give you some uplight to avoid things like a caving effect. Other options with this is it comes with integral emergency battery backup option, also integrated Daintree sensors for Daintree 1, Easy Connect, or Enterprise. And most of what we do is white finish, but we have the option for a stainless with matching silver end caps or an all black fixture to meet different aesthetics. For mounting, it can be either suspended with aircraft cables or surface mounted with the same brackets directly to your T-grid to make it flush across the ceiling. Some applications for this, aside from retail, would be education vertical, municipalities, as well as offices. Okay, beginning with the specs, or aside from the specs, some value propositions would be TriGain as a standard, so that's our 90 CRI, high R9, and high efficiency LEDs. Also replaceable light engine, so check out the LIS video where I demonstrate replacing the LEDs so that you can change CCT or at the end of life keep your fixture intact and then just swap out the light engines to boost your lumen output. And that's done on this one just by popping out the diffuser. Another point differentiator for the LDS is ease of installation. So we've actually beat out a bunch of competitors just by working with the contractors on projects to show them and demonstrate how easy it is to install these in continuous runs by proving, hey, the labor that you're going to save by installing these compared to the competitor is worth it and has a big payback. So with your 2-foot sample or any of the samples, you can pop the end caps or different end caps off just using a flathead screwdriver. So find one of the seams and you can just wedge that in there to pop off, in this case, one of the brackets. And for ease of installation, say you've got your brackets up in the ceiling all ready to go, you can mount the brackets at any point along these channels, along the 4-foot or 8-foot length of the fixture. And then once those are up, say you have your first fixture up in the ceiling, bring your mating fixture to connect, and you can, again, pretend rather than just a connecting piece, this is what the geometry of the next fixture will look like. You'll do your through wiring quick connects harness, and then you can suspend, and while you're doing that, you can suspend your fixture on the bolt, do your through wiring, and then all you're doing is leveraging up your next fixture. Again, use your imagination that this isn't just a piece, but all the contractor is doing up in the lift is just leveraging that up into place. So imagine if all of your brackets are installed, ready to go, he can fly down the line really quickly doing continuous runs. And then to finish off, the end caps operate in a similar method, like a hinge. So all you're doing is bringing your end cap when you want to close off the run and just snapping that into place. Because again, this is mechanically and toolless and you're not trying to line anything up, that also enables anti-snaking so that your runs are straight because you're either clicked in or you're not, and you've got to be mated around the entire perimeter of the fixture, so that secures it to make sure your runs are straight. So those are some differentiators for the LDS to hopefully make you more comfortable speaking to it, and for more information, please check out led.com.